today on Morning Blend is Whitney Anderson-Harrell. She is the MSU FCU Chief Community Development Officer. Whitney, welcome to the Blend. Tell our audience how somebody should get ready to apply for an auto loan.
Well, good morning. It's great to see everyone. One of the first things you need to do when you think about applying for an auto loan is put a little budget together. You want to remember to think about things like how much it's going to cost to get registration and license fees, all of those incidentals that you may not think about when you first start thinking about buying a car. Next, you want to think about gas and how you're going to pay for insurance for your vehicle as well. Those are the top few things to think about.
Where should somebody look for auto financing?
You definitely want to come to MSU FCU. We have great options for loans. You can come right in and get our Ready Loan Check, which is a check that's available for 90 days that you can take to any dealership and pick out the car once you're approved for that. And it takes under 20 minutes to get approved for that loan.
I've done it. It's that easy. What are some other ways that people might be able to reduce their monthly car payment?
You know, some of the ways that you can reduce your payment is by putting down a down payment, which is a wonderful way for you to make it manageable. And you can start by savings and putting that in your budget, because that car payment that you're going to have every month, it's very important to pay that on time. And if you work on your credit score, the higher score that you have, the lower your payment will be. You add in that down payment and you'll be good to go.
And you know, Whitney, I'll tell you, years ago, I worked with a young person who we were working, doing something at a car dealership. And she was telling me how her car loan, her auto loan was like in the 20-some%. I'm like, oh, honey.
Oh my gosh.
I know. And so I sent her to MSU FCU and she came back and said, they were great. They helped me out and they made my loan rate so much lower and I have to pay so much less as a college student. You know,
yes.
That's crazy that somebody's paying that much. But if you don't know, if you've never bought a car before and you kind of end up in a situation like that where somebody wasn't guiding you along, you can get stuck in those really high payments.
Definitely. But the one thing you can do is refinance. And we encourage you to come out to MSU FCU and go through the same process, get a lower rate. And you can even make a down payment on a refinance option and still have an even lower payment. So you definitely want to explore all your options. So thank you for sharing that.
Yeah. I always remember that story and what a difference it made in her life. You know, a college student, young single mom, that was tremendous. And you guys really did a great service for her. And not everybody understands that anybody can be a member of MSU FCU now, right?
Yes, anyone can join. And especially if you are not eligible or you think you may not be eligible, we actually have a foundation where you can do a $10 donation and then you're eligible to join the credit union. So please come on out, check us out. We have great rates, great products, and wonderful service.
Thank you, Whitney.